Hello everyone and a warm welcome to my channel. This is CA Lovely Bhagat and in today's video I'm going to discuss about CA Industrial Training in details. So stay tuned till end. Before starting with the topic, there is a small request that if you are new to this channel then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends who is in need of this information. Now let's start with the topic. In today's video, the points which I am going to discuss about are: what is CA Industrial Training? Is it mandatory to pursue the industrial training during the CA course? Eligibility criteria for industrial training, benefits of industrial training, stipend in industrial training, working hours and working days of industrial training, exam leaves allowed during industrial training, procedure of industrial training, how to fill form 104, duration of industrial training, which companies provide industrial training, and under whom an article can pursue industrial training. Let's start with the first point. What is CA Industrial Training? CA Industrial Training is a training which an article assistant can pursue in the last year of his CA articleship, that is the third year, in which the student has to register himself under the member of ICAI with experience of at least 3 years or any government official, in order to develop a problem-solving attitude and to get an insight of what a role of chartered accountant is in the industry. Next point will be: is it mandatory to pursue industrial training during the CA course? It is not at all mandatory for the student to pursue industrial training during CA course. This totally depends on the student's decision whether he wants to continue his articleship under the same principle or he wants to pursue industrial training in the third year of his articleship. Now let us talk about some favorable factors of industrial training, that is the benefit which we get from the industrial training. The first and the foremost benefit that we are getting in an industrial training are the fixed office timing, which we will not get in a CA firm. Next is the stipend amount. The stipend amount is much higher in compared to the CA firm during the articleship period, and this amount will be discussed later in the video, so stay tuned. Third will be the working days of the week. There will be only 5 working days in a week in compared to a CA firm where Saturday is also working. Fourth will be the contacts. You can get the new contacts for your professionalism. Fifth will be the learning experience. In this you will get a different learning experience in compared to a CA firm. Sixth will be the increased opportunities of getting placed in larger organizations. Also you can interact with the members of other discipline. And along with that, a brand name is also get added to your profile. Next, we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria for CA Industrial Training. As per the ICAI regulation, a student who has passed the CA Intermediate exam, both groups, remember both groups, not a single group, are eligible to serve as an industrial training in any of the financial, commercial, industrial undertakings as may be specified by the council, or such other institution or organization as may be approved by the council from time to time. An article assistant can serve as an industrial training only during the last year of his articleship training. And for this, the student has to intimate to his principal about the decision to take such industrial training at least 3 months before the date of which training is to commence. Next, we are going to discuss about the stipend in CA Industrial Training. There is no fixed amount specified by the ICAI regarding the stipend in CA Industrial Training, like the CA articleship firm where the stipend has been fixed by the ICAI for all the 3 years. However, the stipend in CA Industrial Training varies from industry to industry, company to company. It is totally depends on the mutual understanding of the student and the member. But in general scenario, it has been found that the companies gives a good amount of stipend to the industrial training, with a minimum of rupees 15,000 to the maximum of rupees 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, 40,000 or above. So it's a very good opportunity for a CA student to earn a handsome amount of stipend during his articleship period. And if we talk about the exam leaves allowed during CA Industrial Training, then every company has different policy regarding exam leave to be given to the industrial trainees. But normally it has been found that a study leave of 2 to 3 months is allowed by the companies. So it's a great deal for a CA student to get an exam leave of 2 to 3 months, along with that earning of rupees 40,000 per month during a training period. Next will be the working hours and working days for CA Industrial Training. The normal office hours will be the working hours for CA Industrial Training, that is 10 am to 6 pm. And also there is a 5 working days during a week during industrial training in compared to CA firm where there is a 6 working days which includes Saturdays. Next point will be the duration of CA industrial training. The period of CA industrial training will be a minimum of 9 months and a maximum of 12 months during the last year of your CA articleship period. Next, we are going to discuss about the procedure for CA industrial training. Candidates who want to serve in a company as an industrial training must have to register themselves in Form 104 electronically on ICAI websites. And for filing Form 104, you have to go to ICAI self-service portal, then log in using your user ID and password, then go to articleship cycle. After that, click on the articleship tab available on the left side of the portal. Next, click on the articleship menu, then go to the industrial training, that is Form 104 option. After that, submit all the required details and click on submit. And now your form has been submitted and will be sent to the principal under whom industrial training will be done for approval. Once your application has been approved by the principal, then go to the submitted/pending action tab and download the PDF of the form and get it signed by the principal and upload the scanned copy along with the date in order to complete the registration process. Next, we are going to discuss about which companies will provide CA industrial training. Only the companies which are approved by the ICAI can provide industrial training. There is a complete region-wise list of companies offering industrial training to students on the ICAI official website, and the link of this will be given in the description box. You can easily click on the link and go to that page. Next, we are going to discuss about under whom an article can pursue CA industrial training. As per the ICAI guideline, an associate who has been a member for a continuous period of at least 3 years shall be entitled to train one industrial training at a time, and that fellow shall be entitled to train 2 other industrial trainees at a time. And in case of central or state government bodies, if no member of the institute referred to in this sub-regulation is available, then the industrial training can be imparted by such an officer of that government body as may be recognized by the council from time to time. Also, the entitlement of such an officer shall be determined by the council from time to time based on the number of years of service and the nature of service being rendered by the department concerned. Article assistant can also serve an industrial training for a period ranging from 6 months to 18 months in a foreign country under a member of the accountancy body in that country recognized by the International Federation of Accountants. And at last, after successful completion of the industrial training, a certificate of service will be issued by the member under whom industrial training was received in Form 105. So friends, this is all about CA industrial training. Everything has been discussed in detail. Apart from this topic, if you have any other query, then please feel free to comment in the comment box. Till then, all the best. Thank you.